Investment tip number 51. Hey everyone, it's Amit. There's a couple of things that are happening in the market today which makes it rather interesting. So the first thing that happened this morning was that inflation numbers basically came in line with expectations. This is being viewed by the market quite favorably. However, it's not that impactful, largely due to the fact that 10-year treasuries have only recently started to rise, which is an indicator for inflation numbers in the future, okay? So the next cycle of inflation and the following cycle of inflation is what's actually going to matter. The second thing that's happening is later on this afternoon, the government is going to be selling treasuries, okay? So treasuries is basically a form of a bond that is basically used to generate some level of funding for the government such that they can support various programs such as the stimulus, okay? So when it comes to something like that, the demand numbers for these treasuries is going to be very meaningful. If there is no demand, for example, it basically is an indicator that the market expects a higher rate of return on these bonds, which could be very impactful for the 10-year treasuries, as it could result in a steep increase which could have an adverse impact on growth stocks. So we'll see what happens. Follow and subscribe for daily tips.